could morph into fun things too.
I've got an idea!
Huh?
Glitterpug can transform us into magic pets!
Can you turn us into Morphle?
Let's play a game! The one who bounces the highest wins!
Make a morpher!
What? Ah, great!
Morph helicopter!
Whoa! Whoa!
Whee! Morphle wing!
Is that Mr. Vanderboos? Oh, this can't be good.
Let's follow them.
Try landing, April!
This is not easy.
Oh no! They hit the crane!
Morph bouncy ball!
Orphle's okay, but the crane's still rocking.
Don't worry, Builder Mary. I am here to help!
Quickly, Morphle! Morph into an airplane!
Phew.
I want to be a robot this time.
Oops! Sorry!
I have another idea to catch him. Let's work together. Stop right there!
No!
Yeah, we did it! You two caused a lot of trouble in the city.
I'm sorry, Mila and Morphle. I shouldn't be a Morphle anymore. Can you transform us back, please, Glitterpug?
No! I was having so much fun!
It was fun, but being a Morphle was so hard. I'm happy to be myself again.
There can only be one Morphle and one April, and I love you both.
Thanks again for taking charge of the Magic Pet Center when we're gone, Augustine. No, Morphle is going to stay here with the other magic pets.
Hi, Morphle. Ready to play?
Morphle no want Mila to leave.
Leave? But I just got here.
Daddy say Mila move.
Daddy would never.
Coming through.
Those are my things. Daddy and I really are moving away.
No, Mila.
Don't worry. We won't let this move happen.
The moving truck should be here any minute.
That's it. Morphle, morph into a moving truck. Hurry. Boop, boop, boop.
Ah, there it is.
Good job, Morphle. Quick, let's put the box back inside. Morphle, hide.
Maybe all right. How did this get back in here?
Oh no, after him. But Daddy!
Come on, hop in, Mila. It's getting late.
What about Morphle?
Don't worry. He'll be fine here.
But Daddy!
Yoo-hoo! I'm here to help, Louie.
Right on time. We're just about to leave.
Morphle, take Aunt Augustine far away from here so Daddy can't leave.
Augustine? She must have gone inside. Okay, Mila. Time to go.
Morphle! Morph into a
Hey! Ow! What's going on here, Mila?
Morphle can't stay behind.
Mila, no, go away!
It's only an afternoon apart.
Afternoon? But we're moving out of town.
Moving out of town? Where did you get an idea like that?
Morphle heard you tell Aunt Augustine that she was taking over the Magic Pet Center because we were moving out of town without Morphle.
Oh, Aunt Augustine just offered to look after the Magic Pet Center while we went across town to donate some things.
Oh, that's why my old clothes were in the box.
No leave, Morphle?
We'd never leave you, Morphle. We're a family.
Yeah!
Every day's a magic day with a magic pet.
Oh, butterfly!
Did you hear Daddy's got a surprise for us?
Morphle loves surprises.
Here I am.
Wow! It's a train!
Who wants a ride?
Me!
All for one train!
Whoa!
Oh no! Orphle's taking the train on a joyride, and he doesn't know how to drive it. We'll get the train back, Daddy.
Be careful!
Here's your cake, Officer Freeze.
Watch out! Whoa! Sorry, Officer Freeze.
Slow down. You kids be careful.
Look out, Morphle! Oh man, how are we going to catch up to Orphle now? Oh, like that. There he is! Wait, does Orphle know you can't drive in sand? And now he's stuck.
Choo-choo, now
No train for anybody, Orphle. If you don't get it to the park.
Awful sorry.
We forgive you, Orphle. Come on, buddy.
Thank you.
I have an idea. Let's fly it there, Morphle. Yahoo!
Thanks for getting the train back.
Yay! Orphle's train!
Orphle.
Okay, everybody's train.
Huh?
Hi, Mila and... Morphle, it seems that I have the flu, and I'm unable to do my work.
Can we help you, Mr. Joe?
Morphle, help!
These vehicles need to be delivered to their owners quickly, but I have a... I have this list.
Uh-oh. All the names of the vehicle's owners are smudged. But I think we can still figure it out. Morphle, morph into a big red truck. I think the tractor needs to go to Police Officer Freeze.
Police officer need a tractor?
I think that's what it says on the list.
Okay.
Huh? But this...
I'm sorry, Police Officer Freeze, but we're in a hurry.
Huh?
Whoa! Whoops! Sorry! Didn't see you there.
Oh, this is impossible.
Not so fast.
Oh no! I think we made a mistake, Morphle. Morph into a police car too.
Morphle, catch them!
Now let's try to bring the vehicles to the correct owners. I think this tractor belongs to... Farmer Bob! And the ice cream truck must belong to Geraldo! Yeah!
Hey, Mila and Morphle, how did it go?
Everything has been delivered, Mr. Joe.
Oh, great. Was the list of any help?
Well...
Oops. Hey, kids! We're leaving for Mom's birthday lunch at the fancy restaurant in 5 minutes, and we can't be late.
We haven't forgotten, Daddy. And don't worry, Mom. We'll clean the Petmobile.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
Okay, we've got a Petmobile to clean. This is going to be the cleanest Petmobile in the world. Isn't it the only Petmobile in the world? Exactly. Selfie scrub scrub. Whoa, that's one shiny Petmobile. Orphle! No! We've got to clean it again! And fast! We can do it! There! Just in time.
Oh, the Petmobile looks amazing. Thanks for cleaning it.
Everyone in. We've got 4 minutes to get to the restaurant. But we can't be late.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'm sure nothing will slow us down. Paddle! Big splash!
Oh no! What are we going to do? We can't turn up at the fancy restaurant in a dirty car.
Keep driving. We'll wash the car on the way to the restaurant.
How?
Leave that to us.
Oh, you got it.
Morphle, morph into a fire engine. Morphle! Morph, morph! Now, Morphle! Shower time! We did it!
We've got 1 minute to get to the restaurant. Hurry!
The trash has trashed the Petmobile.
Oh, and we're stuck.
Don't be sad. I've got a great idea.
Aww.
See? We don't need to be in a fancy restaurant to be able to celebrate.
This is much cozier.
Morphle, do something! Morphle, save you! You did it, Morphle.
You've all made this the best birthday ever.
Mila! Morphle! Geraldo's on the phone for you.
Thanks, Daddy. Hi, Geraldo.
Hello! as a thank you for always being so helpful, I have created a special new ice cream flavor. Mila and Morphle Swirl!
Ice cream!
Oh, it's so delicious, I can't stop eating it. And now there's only a bit left.
Ice cream!
So you need to come quickly before I finish it all. I'm on Jungle Island.
Orphle come too?
Oh no! It's Orphle! If he gets there first, he'll eat all the special ice cream.
No!
Morph into a super fast race car to catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph!
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. Watch out, Morphle! A race car isn't so fast in the ocean, Orphle. Hey! Morphle, help! Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Well done, Morphle. We made it to Jungle Island. Let's go find Geraldo. How will we get through all these trees? Morphle, morph into a monkey. A race car isn't so fast in the jungle, Orphle.
Huh? Oh.
Orphle got ice cream!
Don't worry, I just made some more. Now there's plenty for everyone! Ha ha!
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat. We learned about fire safety in school today, Morphle.
Ooh, fun!
Good thinking, Morphle. Now we're ready if there ever is a fire.
Smoke!
Morphle, I know how we can put out the fire. Mr. Vanderboos, are you okay? Morphle and I saw smoke.
I was just trying to barbecue.
Oh, we're sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. You know what they say, safety first.
Yeah, and hungry second.
Be on the lookout in case anyone else needs our help, Morphle.
Okay. Huh?
I smell smoke! There! Morphle, we're gonna need a big fire truck to fight this fire.
Okay, Mila!
This way, Morphle! Let's use your fire hose and put it out. Mr. Vanderboos, what are you doing here?
Can't a guy barbecue anywhere in peace?
Oh no! Oops. But it's better to be safe than sorry.
I am safe. At long last. No one can bother us here. Let the barbecuing begin. Fire! 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 Oh!
It's a real fire this time!
Oh!
Mila, Morphle, boy, am I glad to see you.
Barky! Somebody save Barky!
Morphle, morph into a dump truck. That's how we'll put the fire out. Quick, scoop up lots of sand.
Good thinking, Mila.
Now dump it on the fire.
Oh, great job, Mila and Morphle.
Thank you, firefighter Stacy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh?
Huh? Bus Tiny!
A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, bus, bus!
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Ah! Shoo! Get away from me! Shoo! Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical!
Morphle, bus, bus!
A mini soccer ball? A mini police station! They've even shrunk the ice cream truck!
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle. Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits.
Never! Let us go! Zap it! Now shrink Morphle!
Hey, what's happening?
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. What shall we do today, Morphle?
Morphle want fun!
Ooh, that looks like fun. I know. Morphle, morph into a monster truck.
Monster truck? Ooh! Morph, morph!
Let's have a monstrously good time.
What monster truck? Aha! Ice cream!
Hey!
Oh! 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 Orphle need drink.
Hey!
Orphle play.
What was that?
Garbage fun.
Morphle, morph into a tow truck so we can drag this mischievous monster away.
Orphle strong.
Orphle, stop! Morphle, morph into a giant spider.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Quick, Morphle, fire your web at Orphle and stop him. Morphle, he's not stopping. Shoot some more web onto one of his wheels. Well done, Morphle. This is a monster truck, Orphle.
Oh.
Now we can have fun together. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Ready, Morphle?
Ready!
Whoa!
Mila, Morphle, meet my new improved partner, Robofreeze 2.0.
Hello, citizens.
Officer Freeze? Didn't Robofreeze turn evil last time?
Yes, but now I've got a remote control unit that will switch him off if he turns evil again, which he won't. Oh no, he's turned evil again.
Citizens of Petport, prepare to be arrested.
Officer Freeze, use the remote control and switch him off.
I don't have it. Perhaps I left it at the cafe.
Let's go! Take cover!
You're under arrest for eating cakes.
But we actually paid for them. Leave us alone.
Let's get the remote control.
Halt, citizens. Where are you going? You're under arrest for going to a cafe.
Officer Freeze, grab the remote and we'll distract him.
Woo, you can't catch us!
Hey, let me out!
Stop. You need a permit to fly.
Faster, Morphle! Morphle, hide! Phew! Let's get back to Officer Freeze!
Let me out! Let me out!
Activate new upgrade. Ha ha ha.
Oh, why did I install that force field maker?
You're under arrest for trying to break into a cafe.
Morphle, morph into a flying robot! Come here! Morphle, aim the lasers at the force field! Yes!
No!
Mila, catch!
Hang on, Morphle!
Now, Mila! Great work, you two. Next time, we'll make sure you don't turn evil. Maybe there won't be a next time.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city.
Look, it's Orphle.
Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
Ron, how did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze.
Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera.
Come and get it!
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no, it's Mila and Morphle.
Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too.
Morphle! Morph!
That's not big enough!
Huh?
Morphle, morph into a robot too.
Morphle! Morph!
I don't feel so good.
Orphle, stop that.
Okay. Orphle tired now.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I can't wait to go ice skating. Wow! Thanks, Catmo!
Morphle love ice. Whoopsie.
Cool!
Huh? This looks like an ice rink for babies. With that magic pet, I could make the biggest ice rink in the world. Wanna try my slushie? Now, make me a huge ice rink. Oi! Careful, you'll get a brain freeze. Told ya. Whoa! Oh, yes! This is amazing! Haha, my ice rink is better than yours.
Poor Catmo. We have to warm her up before she turns Petport into Iceport. Let's go.
Stop right there. Do as I say. I'm Officer Freeze.
Woo! This is amazing! Huh? No!
Morphle! Morph into something speedy! Morphle! Let's get her! There she is! Get out! Awesome! Loop the loop, Morphle! Mila, ready? Ready! Got you! It's okay, Catmo. Can you help us turn things back to normal, please? Now, let's get you warm.
What? Stop it! I'm not a juice pop!
Yummy! Every day's a magical day with the magic pet.
Hi, Mila, Morphle, Boba. Check out my latest invention.
Wow! It looks amazing!
What'd it do? It can make anything bigger.
Can it make Boba's bubbles bigger?
Only one way to find out.
Whoops! Oh no! The Magic Pet Center! Morphle, morph into a helicopter to get us out of this bubble! Now, fly over to the Magic Pet Center and pop that bubble. After the bubble pops, morph into a parachute so the building gets to the ground safely.
I sure hope he heard you.
Morphle pop bubble! Morphle parachute! Danger all done!
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain giant. Any bubbles you make can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Whoa!
Oh no! Everything's in bubbles. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Morphle morph!
Now, hold still. There he is! We're here to help you, Boba. Now we have to take care of the other bubble buildings. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Are you excited to go help April with her art project, Chroma? Let's go! Hello, Morphle. Mila? Morph into a giant, scary bear.
Morphle no like scary.
It'll be fun, Morphle. Just do it. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today mischievous.
Huh?
I mean magical.
Okay, Mila.
After we paint with April, we can all get ice cream, Morphle. Morphle? Morphle!
Ah, a bear! Hey, Mila and Morphle. That's a new morph.
Yes, it is, Morphle. Roar. Now! Onwards, Morphle. Look, it's April. Come on. April, what happened?
Mila? But you were just here with Morphle.
Me and Morphle? Oh, that must be my reflection from the mirror world. Evil Mila. There's only one way to stop her. Yum! Morphle, get away from her! I'm the real Mila! No, I am.
I know.
I'm the real Mila. No, I am. What's this? Morphle, morph into a scary shark to scare them away. No, Morphle, morph into a helicopter to fly away.
Morphle don't know what to do.
That's not what I wanted.
Real Mila?
Yes, I was so worried about you. I'll show them.
Evil Mila's getting away.
We need to get Mr. Mirror in front of her. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Huh? You need to go home. Never! Huh? No! You're safe now, Morphle.
Morphle love Mila.
Oh.
Morphle wants see. Morphle wants see.
It's a surprise, Morphle. You gotta wait. Happy Matchiversary, Morphle!
Morphlecake Matchiversary!
Yeah, to celebrate the day we became a magic match and best friends.
Morphle love Mila.
I love you too, Morphle. Happy Matchiversary, you guys. Thanks, Jordy. Now, how about some cake?
I want cake. Yum, yum, yum.
Morphle?
Morphle cake. No, Morphle.
Hey, guys. Why don't we all... No! Phew. I got you, Cake.
Huh?
Cake mine!
Oh, we'll get your cake back. A magic match promise. Morphlecake, here we come!
Morphlecake!
Orphle, wait! We can all share! Catch it, Jordy! Phew, that was close.
No fair!
I can't see Orphle. Maybe he's given up? I don't know, Mila. When has Orphle ever given up? Guys, there must be another way to settle this. I know! Morph into a speedboat! Slow down, Morphle! The cake's getting wet! I'm getting wet too. Watch out! Morphle, save the cake!
want some cake. You just have to ask nicely.
Cake ruined.
The cake's not ruined. We have exactly 4 pieces. 1 for each of us.
All for 2? All for 2.
Finally! Happy matchiversary, Morphle.
Morphle love Mila and Morphlecake.
Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty.
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Ooh, cake! Orphle eat cake!
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph!
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why you?
Morphle, sorry!
You!
Orphle, no eat Daddy's cake!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get it!
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle, morph, morph!
That's the 3rd time today!
Sorry!
No!
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hey! What about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks.
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm
I'm a superhero!
I see Morphle. But the bandits have him.
Oops! Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up!
We can make it!
I command you to stop.
Hey! Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter!
Yeah.
Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea! Follow me!
Morphle, no bandit helicopter! Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh!
Mila! Yes! It's me, Morphle! Jump in! Let's get these bandits back where they belong!
Sorry! Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too! Morphle too! Aww.
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun. Whee!
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Ah! Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh! Huh?
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Ah! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally. Here, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, balloons.
The garden looks great, Daddy, but I think we need more balloons.
More? I think you're right. Come on, let's get some.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Oh.
Oh no! We've got a flat tire!
Floating air!
Oh no!
Stop! Whoa!
We'll rescue you as soon as we can, Daddy. But first, we need to get that helium from Orphle.
You go, Mila. I'll stay with the van.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What a fun landing! Let's go.
What? Not in my car.
Hey, I've heard of an ice cream float, but this is crazy.
Hang on!
You better be quick, because we're drifting towards the sea!
Huh?
Help!
Uh-oh! April, can I please use your string to stop those cars from floating away? Sure. You better be quick. Thanks. I know how we can get them down. I can be a cowgirl and you can be my horse. Horsey! Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Giddy up, Morphle! Orphle, hold this. We're not strong enough.
Mila! Help!
I know. Morph into a gorilla and grab those ribbons. Too high. Then morph into a giant gorilla.
Help, Mila! Oh.
Pull them down, Morphle, and we'll let the air out of the tires.
Thanks, Mila.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to go rescue Orphle? Ready!